Join us this week for the first leg of our journey exploring the beautiful island of Anglesey. We visit a beach that's regarded by many as the finest in the UK to find out for ourselves what makes it so special. With no campsites booked, we'll also be testing whether it's possible to find wild camping spots on Anglesey and avoid the dreaded knock in the middle of the night. So if you enjoy campervan adventures, stunning scenery, beautiful sunsets and a few laughs along the way, this one's for you. If you've been to Anglesey, let us know your favourite spots in the comments. And if you're planning a trip yourself, we'd love to hear whether you found this video useful.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're now on Anglesey and we're at
Clan, that's as far as I can get. You
We're,
want to go, Lucian? Go, Clan, go.
Clan, go. So yeah, we've just
all the Welsh viewers have stopped watching already, I think.
Yeah, so apologies
Sorry
to any Welsh people. Let me just try and say it. So Clan Fair, Phil, Gil, Gogger, and were
basically the long place name.
Williams, Celio, Gotch. I mean, this is great content, isn't it? I mean, I'm sure you're absolutely loving this. So yeah, we've just picked up a magnet from here. So we'll show you a bit of that now.
It's really busy. Everyone's trying to take a picture of the place name.
Yeah, obviously everyone's wanting to get their picture of the sign. And I think that's literally all there is in this town.
Went in the tourist shop.
Yeah, a tourist shop. I mean, genius idea to call your town name something like that, because you're just going to get people coming just for the name of the town. There's literally nothing else here. But yeah, we have a beach day or afternoon planned now. So we're going to head to a beach, Newborough Beach. I've seen all the social media people going there. Apparently it's one of the nicest in the UK. So that's where we're going to head now. And we'll tell you what we think when we get there. So see you in a minute. Okay, here we are at Newborough Beach. Let's drive through the forest to get here. It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody's pranging out about getting sand in the van already.
Did you park in the sand?
Well, we're on a beach.
We're not on a beach yet.
Well, we're pretty much
car
are.
park.
Yeah, the car park is on the beach pretty much. Anyway, we've got a show them the sticker. We've got a magnet from
the long name
place. So do the honours. Good work. Right, now I need a coffee before I do anything else.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling on FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, cause paradise is wherever we make it.
Yeah, already I just really love the kind of vibe of this beach. Got forest and then sand dunes. And we haven't even actually properly got onto the beach yet, have we?
We
haven't seen the sea yet. Very windy though, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit chilly because of the wind.
Yeah, we were hoping to have a barbecue here, but whoa, we're going to have to find a good spot if we're going to do that, aren't we? We've got our windbreak.
Ugh, faff.
It is faff.
And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, cause paradise is wherever we make it.
So we've discovered that you can't have barbecues on the beach here, which is a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I remembered seeing these little barbecue points when we were parking up. So we have just nabbed one. There's only 3, and you get like a stone bit to cook your barbecue on. So certainly off to bring the van round to where this is, and hopefully it'll be nice to have a little barbecue, won't it? Mm-hmm. What do you want on the barbecue?
Food.
Sausages?
Oh yeah, sausages.
Burgers?
Oh.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for him, and obviously he's taking a million years to get the van, so he'll be here in a sec.
Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
You're going to need to hold this with that hand. Quickly. Okay, I think I'll do that.
For God's sake.
So what did you do on your holiday? Had a barbecue in a car park. This is awesome. How's your burger? So it was actually really fun having a barbecue in the barbecue area in the car park. Basically turned the car park into our own personal campsite, didn't we?
Yeah.
But we weren't the only ones. And I mean, to be honest, I'd say it's probably in the top 5 car parks I've ever been to. It's not like a Tesco car park, is it? Let's be honest. No. It's a bit.
top car park.
Come to Anglesey, hang out in a car park.
Car park with a forest and sand.
Yeah.
Quite nice.
And mountains in the background as well. It's pretty nice, to be fair. So we're just having a little walk along the beach. I think I found a parkup for tonight, which is just up the road. So we'll check that out in a bit. We're wild camping again because we're rebels. So yeah, we're just going to have a little sunset walk first. And it's a little bit chilly, as you can probably tell from what we're wearing. But it is.
It's sunny, but it's just windy, so it makes it a bit cold.
Yeah, it's a lovely evening though, to be fair. So yeah, let's go and enjoy what's left of the day. Yeah, I think sometimes you come to places like this where every influencer and his dog are coming to, and then you kind of get there and it's a bit underwhelming, but I mean, the camera's definitely not going to be doing it justice, but it is actually really, really stunning because you've got the views of the mountains as you look out. And obviously normally if you're on a beach they'd probably be behind you, I guess, and then you've got the forest as well. It's just, yeah, it's really, really nice. So definitely recommend this one, guys, if you come into Anglesey. It's a stunning beach and it's got a really good car park. Anyway, I think we're getting a bit worn out now. I've had a bit of a tiring day. So I think we're going to head back to the van and try and find our parkup that I've got in mind on Park for Night. So
I'm enjoying wild camping. Second night wild camping.
Yeah, second night.
Hopefully it's as good as last night because that was perfect, really.
Yeah, it was perfect. I mean, hopefully it'll be all right. It's again, like, looks like it's another quiet road, so yeah, we'll see. So yeah, we're just going to head back to the van now, and we will check in with you guys when we
find it.
Yeah, when we find it, or if we don't find it, because that might be interesting. Let's go. Okay, so change of plan. We've had to go to a pub. We're not at the pub yet, but we're parked up, ready to go to the pub, as we need to use the facilities.
Well, Celeste's.
Celeste does, yeah, hashtag vanlife reality.
Wild van life.
Yeah, I mean, I could get used to it, going to a pub to use the facilities and having a drink and then moving on. So yeah, let's go and see if this pub's any good. Cheers. Okay, so that was this, what was it called?
White Horse.
White Horse. Bit of a locals pub, but it was fine.
Yeah.
Clean, good facilities. 10 out of 10.
I'd probably give it 5.
Well, yeah, you had a Wrexham lager, didn't you? And
I only drank about.
I sampled it, but I had a no alcohol bit. But
I suddenly realised I didn't really fancy drinking anymore.
just Wrexham lager's just not very nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm not a lager connoisseur.
no. I mean, neither am I. I don't really like lager anyway, but like, yeah, that wasn't good. Anyway, time to head to our parkup now. So, yeah, let's head.
Ready for bed?
Ready for bed? Yeah, let's go.
Have you found anywhere?
Struggling, to be honest.
We just went to where we were going to park, but it was really busy and quite crammed in, wasn't it?
Yeah, it didn't.
And to get on the verge, people were kind of blocking the way on and off, so we think we're going to try and find a different one, but Lee's phone has just died.
One that's it's a car park that they allow you to park in, but you have to pay, and it's £8 overnight.
Alright, how far away is that?
Not far, apparently.
What does the car park, what does it look like?
Just like a...
Alright.
Because this is a busy road, we don't really want to be parked alongside a busy road, do we?
No, it looks like that van might be, but yeah, I don't fancy this road where we are
No,
now.
definitely not this road. Oh, the joys. Yeah, let's try this.
Okay, off to a car park then.
Well, we'll try it and see what we think.
Okay.
Right, found a park up. It's a car park where it's just full of campervans and motorhomes, so not ideal, but it'll do, won't it?
Yeah, like we've just fanning around for
Yeah.
a while, deciding where to go because
All the good spots are gone.
Space is gone, so we're kind of leaning back a bit.
Yeah,
but
all the flat spots are taken, aren't they? There's none. And to be fair, like people are out with like bloody deck chairs and wind brakes and everything.
How do we
So
pay for this?
there's a machine there. So yeah, I think it's £8 for 12 hours or something. So well, that's what it said on Park for Night. So yeah, I'll go and sort that out now, and then we'll
Get ready for bed.
Yeah.
It feels really bright.
Yeah, I don't think I'm quite ready for bed yet, but you're welcome to. Right, anyway, let's go and sort out the payment for this parking. So we're just off to check out the sunset on the beach, aren't we? Because it's a beautiful evening. Imogen and Lucian are just a bit tired, so they're just hanging out at the van, doing a bit of reading and stuff. But yeah, got a feeling this is going to be quite a nice beach, so let's go and check it out. Where we're parked up, hopefully it's not going to be too rowdy. It looks like it has the potential to be. I'm sure it'll be fine, well, at least I hope it'll be fine. Watch out for that. Yeah, a bit of a weird one really, because most car parks don't obviously allow parking overnight. So yeah, hopefully it'll be decent, we'll let you know either way. Oh yeah, look at this. Lovely. Should we go have a look at these rocks? Yeah. Should we go and see?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a beautiful sunset, what a beautiful evening. What a beautiful beach. could be that guy and get the drone up, but do you know what? I'm not going to. I'm just going to enjoy this for what it is. And with the drone, yeah, do it with your own eyes and not a camera, I just got told. And I think that's good advice. I think, you know, sometimes having the drone will give you like a good aerial perspective of things, but
No, it won't. It won't.
it doesn't need it here. You can see that this is very, very idyllic. It's a perfect sunset, beautiful beach on Anglesey, sleeping in a car park. Could it get any better than this? I don't think so. And if it's a good night, I'll put the link for the park for night in the description below. If it's a terrible night, then I won't bother. Cozy?
Yeah.
What about you? He's not asleep, he's pretending.
I'm just it's been quite a busy day.
It has been a very busy day. Very, very busy day. A good day though. What about you? Are you tired?
No.
No, never is. But yeah, I think we're just going to turn in for the night now. So we're going to end the filming today, but we'll catch up in the morning and let you know how it went here. I say I think it'll be all right. There's loads of there's like a mixture here of kind of like, without sounding snobby, nice looking camper vans that probably cost about 80 grand, and people just sleeping in cars. So we'll see what it's like. I hope it'll be all right. Paid £8 for it, so hopefully it'll be all right. Nice beach anyway. So yeah, we're going to turn in now. We're tired. We're just going to relax for a bit this evening, and yeah, we'll catch up in the morning. Okay, so here we are. It's the morning now. We're in our little beach car park here in Anglesey. Slept really well, slept brilliantly actually. It was absolutely, didn't hear anything in the night. It was completely silent other than the sounds of the waves crashing, so perfect really. £8 per night to stay here, so bit of a bargain I reckon. I'll put the park for night reference below if you're interested in staying here when you're in Anglesey. It's a pretty good one. But we're moving on now. So that's the end of this week's video. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and we will see you
See you on the next one.
on the next one. So bye for now.